Hey guys, on today's video I'll teach you how to factory reset an iPhone 17. Now, even if you guys have an Air, Pro Max, it's gonna be the exact same instructions. And when you factory reset it, that means you're gonna delete everything within it, which does include the Apple ID. So if you guys are returning this, selling it, that's what you need to do. Get all your information out of it. Now, does that mean you're deleting everything online? No. Your Apple ID is still online, so you guys can go on and use your Apple ID on another phone, or even on the same one. You guys can just put it back in there again. But anyways, let's just get started with the factory reset. All right, so these instructions is for any phone for that matter. So we're gonna go into settings. Inside your settings, all you guys have to do is go to general, scroll all the way down. You're gonna see transfer reset. And right now, don't do reset, do the very last option, erase all content and settings. And then from here, you're gonna see this. So we're just gonna erase iPhone, put in our passcode if you have one. So for me, very simple passcode. And there we go. Didn't ask us for Apple ID or anything else like that. And that's because we didn't have it set up here. If we had it, then yes, it would have asked us for that information. Now, what does this do when you factory reset something? Well, it brings it back to factory settings. That means when you very first got it, there was nothing in it, nothing personal. You guys had to set it up all over again. Well, for the very first time, I should say. That's what's gonna happen right now. So it's gonna delete the Apple ID from within this phone itself. However, your Apple ID is still online. You're not erasing your Apple ID from online. It's just from the phone itself. So it's not gonna be attached to this phone. So you guys can go on and set up the phone with the same Apple ID. It's really up to you. So if you're doing this to return it, after we're done this, just shut it down. If you're selling this, maybe you want to set it up again just without an Apple ID, or just don't set it up and let the person who's gonna buy it set it up again so they can test it to see if it's working or not. So again, if you're returning it, we're just gonna turn it off after it's done. And how do you know it's done? Well, it's gonna show us the very first screen where you guys get to choose what language and what region you're at and all that stuff. You guys could go throughout the whole setup again if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. So again, it's deleting everything from within the phone. No personal information will be in there, such as your pictures, videos, text messages, anything really will be erased from the phone itself. All right, so now that it's done, all we have to do is scroll up and then just set it up again. So just go throughout the whole thing. If you guys want to see that, I do have a setup video for you guys to watch. So go on and just watch that video. But right now, that's it. That's all you guys had to do. So to force shut this down, if you want to set it up again, just press here on the power plus on the side. You guys will see your volume keys. Just press those two at the same time and you're gonna see this. This is to fully shut it down. We just have to slide it and it's finally turned off. So this is fully off right now. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.